Mm. Hi, Sabis. Yeah. I think I have to do this in two parts. I don't know if I have subscribers on Paranormal Mom, but I'm sorry that I haven't uploaded for a while. I have used most of my time on my main channel, Dealer Mom. Anywho, there's part one and two, and I have to think what's part one. It's about should we mix religion with the paranormal, EVPs and stuff. My opinion, and remember this is my opinion. No, I was born and raised as a Buddhist, and came to Denmark and became Christian, and I also became Jehovah's Witness. So I have studied the Bible. Yeah, and then later on in my life, I became Buddhist again. So yeah, Buddhist light, I think. But anywho, I do EVPs often when I walk the dog, also at home, and of course I ask. I'm very curious, and I also know I have a spirit guide, and I figure out that he's a Muslim, and it's actually quite funny. I got a Muslim because that have me thinking maybe I'm going to burn in Muslim hell. I don't know. Anywho, what I've learned by one of my favorite people in the field is, of course, Kevin Himes. And it's because no BS. It's about science, not about belief systems, not about religion, and helping what do you call entities or spirit. Because how do you know if you help people? No entities. It's just like you have to treat spirits like human being. First, you have to respect they have their own sexual orientation, their political, beliefs, and also their religion. And when you have a spirit or two, on your app or whatever you use, you don't know who you are dealing with. And if let us say that I was dead and I had a Christian or Hindu ghost hunter speaking to me and say, "Go to the light," I think I would be pissed because I'm a Buddhist, But I don't know before I die. Anywho, it's just like. Does people like when Jehovah's Witness, knock on the door or ring on the doorbell? No, because no one wants to tell you what you have to do, or what you have to believe in, because you believe in something and you think that it's right. It doesn't mean that the other person means it as well, and it's the same with spirits. You don't fucking know if the spirit is Muslim, Hindu, atheist, agnostic, whatever. And crossover, it can be crossover the street or the light. It can be the street light, And I try to be dead. Can I say that? Clinical dead, and it's a whole another topic. But I didn't see a light. But I have to say that some I've talked with have seen some kind of light, but not the way you portray it so romantically. Because it is beautiful, a tunnel and the light in that tunnel, and you go. I do get it, but it seems like it's not just like that. If you go to a forum with the people who actually have died, try to read what they are saying, what they have experienced, and then you understand what afterlife is. Okay, some people have actually been dead over an hour, and it's so insane. If you go to Paranormal Junkie, you can see it as well there. Anywho, and it's also it's just that you don't you have to treat also people. I got a grown-up son, and he makes some choices I don't like, really. And I remember my mother didn't like my choices as well, but she didn't butt in because she was of course she helped me as she could, but and I also help my son as I can, but he have to have his own experience. He have a path, and it's not, even though I'm his mom, the only thing I can do is be an example, good example. I'm not the one to say what to do, but just be an example and be there when he needs me, and nothing else. And it's the same with friends. I'm not going to tell them what they should do unless they ask for my opinion of do you think I should do. But mostly I would say you can feel it in your heart. And it's the same with spirits. I've spoken to so many spirits, and I still don't know squat about afterlife, whether we it's Jesus, Gandhi, Buddha, blah, 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 blah. I really don't know. Oh, Gandhi was alive. So was Buddha. So was Jesus. Anywho, I really don't know who. So we have to respect the dead, okay? And that is by not putting your belief system on to spirits or entities, because you don't know what there is on the other side, and you don't know if you are, maybe you fuck their path. There is a path after life, after death, and you fuck their path because you meddle in. If I said something to my son now, so he go another path, I maybe fuck up his life. And it's the same with spirits. And I just can't understand why people can't see it. You don't like to be told what to believe in. It's the same with spirits. They are humans with no body. They are souls, okay? And as I'm sitting here with, body, if I just do this and ask myself, can I feel that I have hands? I already, without, I can feel the warmth in my hand, and that's my consciousness, and it's my spirit, and that will never ever go away. Maybe it'll get a new body. The scientists are very close to figure it out, that they have found many children who can tell about past life, and not only children, but they are studying it. So it seems like that people are going to live more than one life, but I don't know. It's not that, it's around 60% before we know for sure. There's a long way yet, but that's the closest we can get. But I hope that people will respect each other's religion, and also respect spirits' religion, and don't fuck up their path. They have their own way to go. And unless they say clearly, please help me, I can't do this, can you pray with me, whatever, then I think it's okay. But until that, shut the fuck up listen to what they say. You can ask whatever, but respect them with dignity, the same dignity you would do with your friends or the ones you love. Okay. And yeah, I think people have forgot that. And if people really read the Bible or the scriptures or Quran and so, they would understand that we have to respect each other, and that we are different, we are unique, but we are equal. Yeah. But I'll stop now. I hope I got my message out. I have a part 2, and this is whole different. This is a rant. The next one. This was just my opinion of. So if you sub to my channel, you know where I stand in this. I respect all religion. I'm sad there is war because of religion, and I really don't hope that there is war in afterlife because of religion. And sometimes I am actually afraid that by mentioning Jesus or Buddha or whatever, that there are some spirits, when you do EVPs, they talk many at the same times, and maybe they fight. I have heard, they mention different leaders, or what to call them. So yeah. Anywho, if you want to subscribe, please subscribe. If you like it, thumbs up. If you didn't, please don't give us thumbs down. That's so shitty. And please comment, leave a comment. Yeah. So, bye bye.